Hey folks, Time to Moto Man here, back in the garage. We're going to do another quick mod on the CRF 250L. We're going to install this luggage rack. This is a Kemi Moto from Amazon. Relatively cheap, but pretty solid. In fact, it's so solid, it weighs 4 pounds, which is a little more than I wanted, but I could not find another luggage rack with the similar style that was lighter than that. They provide you with an Allen wrench. You'll need a 10mm socket to remove the OEM bolt in the front. It's going to be really easy. We're just removing these 4 bolts and putting this thing in place. So here's the before. And we'll show the after. With all the bolts out, this just goes here. You want to slightly lift the seat so you can get it around that part. Push it back down. Now you have the short bolts and the 2 spacers for the back. I just tightened everything down. After checking the fitment, everything looks pretty good. It looks straight. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell below. You'll get notified when new videos come out. I've got more mods to do on this CRF 250L, and videos will be coming out shortly. Thanks everybody.